Today we are talking about one of the most useful Elementor add-ons, and that is the exclusive add-ons. If you use WordPress or Elementor to build your website, you already know the default features feel limited very fast. Many people feel stuck because they want modern designs, advanced animation and professional looking pages, but Elementor free version cannot do much. Even Elementor Pro is expensive for many beginners, and that is why exclusive add-on is becoming so popular. It adds powerful premium elements to your existing Elementor editor, and the best part is that it comes with a lifetime deal on AppSumo. So you pay one time and you can get the access forever. So today I will break down everything in a simple way so you can understand if this add-on is right for you or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and bring the best tools and lifetime deals at the lowest cost. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. When you use the link, the discount will be applied automatically, so you don't have to worry about using any coupon codes. Now let's talk about the exclusive add-ons. If you are new, let me explain it in a very easy way. So you can think of Elementor as your basic mobile phone. It works well, but it has limited apps. Now imagine installing a pack of premium apps that give you the many new features without changing your phone. Exclusive add-on does exactly that. It adds more creative elements, more design options and animations, and some ready-made templates inside your Elementor dashboard. Everything works smoothly inside the same interface you already know, so there is no extra learning curve. And one of the biggest reason people choose the exclusive add-ons is the widget. You can get more than 85 pro level widgets and the extensions. These are not just simple elements, these are polished, modern and ready for the real business website. For example, you can get the advanced heading that look professional, beautiful buttons, image, the comparison tools, creative sliders, price tables, the testimonials design, and the image galleries, progress bar, and many interactive features. These are the kind of elements that you usually see on expensive agency websites. And now you can use them inside your Elementor for free or the Pro setup. Another thing that makes this add-on powerful is that the large template library. You don't need to design everything from scratch. Exclusive add-ons includes more than 700 ready-made blocks. So these are small design pitches like headers, hero section, call to action, and the about pages, contact layout, pricing layout, and many more. You can simply drag and drop a block into your page and you can change the text, you can change the image, and your design looks professional within just minutes. This is perfect for beginners who want good results without wasting times. Along with the blocks, you can get the complete page template. They have around 15 or more than that the full website templates such as business websites, portfolio layout, the agency homepage, restaurant websites, and landing pages. These templates save you hours of time and give you a strong starting point. Even if you are not a designer, you can create a professional website because the base design is already done for you. Now, if you run an online store, the WooCommerce feature will help you a lot. Exclusive add-ons can give you custom product widget, the category displays, and the cart design and checkout design. This means you can style your entire store with your own brand look. Normally, WooCommerce looks very basic, but with these custom widgets, your store can look more premium without hiring a developer. Now, let's talk about the design effect. Modern websites use the smooth animations and interactive elements. Exclusive add-ons includes the section parallax, the particle effects, gradient background, and floating animation. These effects are often seen on expensive websites that large companies use. Now you can use the same effects inside your Elementor and without touching any code. Everything works visually, so you can just drag and drop and you can adjust the setting and see the results instantly. One of my favorite feature is the mega menu. If you want a professional navigation menu like big websites, then you can build it easily using this add-on, which can give your website a modern and clean feel. So there are also very useful feature called the cross-site copy pasting, and if you work on the multiple websites, you can copy a design from one site to another site and you can paste it into there. So this saves a lot of time, especially for the freelancers or agencies who build the websites for their client. Now let's come to the most exciting part, which is the lifetime deal. This one of the main reason why people are choosing exclusive add-ons in this time. Instead of paying every year or every month, you can pay one time and you can use it forever. This includes lifetime updates, lifetime support, and access to all of the features. The starting price is $44 right now on this sale, and the $44 is for the 10 sites. With this one-time payment, you get everything, all pro widgets, all templates, animations, WooCommerce features, mega menu, everything you need for Elementor. If you need more websites, you can stack code. Adding one more code gives you 100 websites. And if you add two more code, you can get the unlimited websites. So if you are planning to start an agency or build websites for your clients, the unlimited plan gives you a huge value. You can use it on every client project without paying again. So when you compare the feature with the price, it becomes very clear why this deal is attractive. Normally, Elementor add-ons charge yearly fees, and over time the price becomes higher. But this time, the lifetime deal, you can get the Elementor Pro level features for a small one-time cost. This saves money and gives you freedom to use the tool anytime you want. If you want to check the deal, the link is in the description. When you use that link from the description, the discount will be applied automatically for AppSumo. And with that, we come to the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and subscribe this channel to get the more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to check the link from description. Bye bye.